can we get some of this movie theater butter popcorn?
How much is it?
They're just two for $5.
Oh, what the hell? I guess so.
You mean it? Oh, yes! Yes!
Calm down. Calm down. Don't get a big dick! What the hell do you mean a Peter Pan peanut butter alert? Holy shit! Shit! Damn it! Fuck! Oh, you asshole!
Dad, you're not allowed to go back in there.
I don't give a shit! 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 Where the assholes have built this place with the bathroom? Shit. All I have is $40. Don't put the beer back. Damn it.